Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome to my YouTube channel to all of you. Okay, so before that, okay, I introduce myself is Farid bin Ibrahim, okay, from ODL UTM. Okay, so for today, okay, I will explain, okay, about the topic, okay, um, leadership contingency theory. Okay, so in leadership contingency theory we have many theory. Okay, so for this topic and for this leadership contingency theory, okay, some one of the theory, okay, I will explain later on. But before that, okay, we will continue about the what is leadership contingency theory. Okay, contingency theory of leadership state that effective leadership is contingent upon the situation at hand. Okay, essentially it depends on whether individual leadership style befit to the situation. Okay, someone can be effective leader in one circumstances and ineffective leader in another. So it means that people cannot become too democratic and they also become democratic. Okay, they must in their uh, personal, okay, in their personal, maybe they have only one style of leadership, either democratic or autocratic leadership. Right, so the contingency theory of leadership focus on leadership style. Okay, a leader must be aware of their own leadership style as well as their strength and weaknesses. All the leaders in the world have their own strength and weaknesses. Okay, so what we can say, okay, not all the followers, okay, not all the team member like their style of leadership. Okay, alright, so next. I will focus only one theory for today. Okay, that's called leadership continuum theory by Tenenbaum and Smith in 1958. Okay, what they say in that theory: first, leadership style across a spectrum from authoritarian through permissive style. Okay, and number two is propose the idea of leadership continuum and place different variation of leadership practice along continuum that move from autocratic leadership to style toward democratic. Okay, we have we have many type of leadership. Okay, so from leadership continuum theory, okay, it's start from autocratic until democratic leadership. All right, so it represents a just valuable framework for analyzing leadership style. Okay, we will see after this. Okay, next, the model is widely used for visualizing the management style of workplace manager, social group leader, and educator. And the last one is specific leadership style. Specific with the continuum include telling, selling, consulting, and joining the leadership style. Okay. Introduced by Tenenbaum and Speed Continuum of Leadership. Alright, so we have seven style of leadership. We have leadership like tell, sell, suggest, consult, join, delegate, and abdicate. Right, so we can see leader. Okay, right. Okay, we will see one by one. So I divide under three category of leadership style. Okay, first we have leader center style. We have first uh, a leader that tell. Okay, this is an authoritarian leader. Okay, tell their team what to do and expect them to do it. Okay, normally this is army style. Okay, you must do this. Okay, you must do this. You cannot against me. Okay, so in army you cannot against your leader, right? Okay, number two is self. Make their decision when explain the logic behind the decision to their team. Okay, they make decision and then they tell, okay, the logic why they must win that war, for example. Okay, Alright, so next is suggest, make the decision, okay, explain the logic behind the decision, and then ask the member if they have any question. Okay, like for example, in army, for example, the leader, the army leader give some instruction, okay, the follower must follow, okay, their explanation, okay, their decision, and if they want to ask, okay, the question, so they suggest, they can ask their leader, okay, what question if they don't understand. Okay, all right, next have consult, okay, present their professional decision to their team and invite comment, suggestion, and opinion. Okay, for example, okay, I like to hear you when you explain to say about it, this plan that I have developed. I appreciate your frank direction, but will reserve for myself the final decision. Okay, they give their team member, okay, to think about the plan, okay, but the decision is made by the leader. Okay, and sometimes the team member can influence the decision that made by the leader. Sorry. Subordinate center leadership. Okay. For this subordinate, okay, we have three type. Okay, first we have a joint lead ataupun joint, delegate and abdicate. First, joint represent, okay, for joint is represent the problem to their team and then work with the team in a collaborative manner to make decision on how to solve the problem. Okay, leader is not presenting the decision. Okay, this means that, for example, we have a KPI in our in our organization. Normally, we have a KPI, but our leader give opportunity to us, okay, um, to make to do the strategy to achieve the company or organization objective. Okay, so leader not just present their decision, but they give the permission to the team member to make the to solve the problem. Okay, next is delegate. Ask their team member to make the decision within limit that the leader set. Okay, normally we can find this in our organization. Okay, we have head of department, we have a director. Okay, normally director give a um, full decision, okay, to the head of department to make some decision. And the last one is let the team abdicate, let the team decide what the problem to solve and how to solve them. Okay, and the total opposite and autocratic style means that they give some problem and they solve that problem together. Alright, so that's all.